Hi guys, I hope your exams are going good and today's subject is history for 12th class. So basic information of the exam, as you must all be aware of it, that exam will be of 3 hours and maximum marks will be 80. So as per CBSE curriculum, there are 3 books. Book number 1, Ancient India, book number 2, Medieval India, and book number 3, Modern India. So according to these 3 books, themes of Indian history is explained. The question paper is divided into 5 parts, A, B, C, D and E. Part A, there will be 3 very short answer type questions which will carry 2 marks each. Part B have 2 sections, Part 1 and Part 2. Section 1 will carry 6 short answer type questions which will be of 4 marks each, out of which 1 is a value-based compulsory question. Section 2 is again only a value-based question. Part C is a long answer type question and it is of 8 marks each. There will be 3 questions. Part D, again there will be 3 questions and they will carry 7 marks each. And finally Part E, which will only have 1 question, it will be of 5 marks. Now coming to the most important question, that how to answer question to get good marks in history exam. For Part A, there will be a short answer type question. You can answer this in just 1 word or 1 sentence and your words should not exceed more than 30. For Part B, in this section, answer of the question should not exceed 100 words. Again, similarly for Part C, in this section, the words should not exceed 250. What you can do in this section is list all the points in the bullet form and then start explaining the points so that you can easily write the bullet points also and then you can give easy explanation of it. For Part D, in this section, write answer according to you. Question will be based on source. So try to answer here in bullets and explain them correctly. For Part E, in this section, the question will be related to map. So what you have to do is fill the map correctly, label it accordingly and attach map with your answer sheet while submitting your answer sheet to the invigilator. Do not forget to attach it, guys. Now I'm going to tell you some last minute quick tips. Go through the sample papers. Go through the sample papers and practice papers one last time and mark the paper pattern. Prepare your strategy beforehand. Which section would you answer first? Which one last? Decide and then answer the paper according to your plan. Selective revision. Yes, selective revision, guys. Now it's not the time to revise every topic and every chapter. Instead, focus on only the main takeaways from every chapter. In NCERT books, there is a section devoted to aims of the chapter at the beginning. Make sure that you are well acquainted with every objective mentioned there. Relax and be ready. Organize your admit card, stationery and other items which you have to carry to the exam center at one place. Now is the time to relax and enjoy some time away from exam stress. Meditate or go for a walk or play some sport to provide your brain the necessary respite. Also go to bed early. Do not indulge in late night study. Before writing the exams, the student should definitely utilize the first 15 minutes. Read the instructions carefully before writing the exam. Answer the questions in a simple language. So now I am going to tell you some topics which are very important according to the exam point of view. So the first topic is the Great Revolt of 1857. The second topic is Lord Buddha's principle of right conduct and values. The third topic is the Mughal during the 16th and 17th centuries, Zamindari system, Panchayats, Mughal court and Indus Valley civilization. Next is Indian national movement, Gandhi era. And last but not the least, guys, 5th report submitted to British Parliament in 1813. So guys, that is all for today, and for important questions the link is given in the description box, and if you like our video please give us a thumbs up and please share, comment if you have any query and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Uglisem.com is always for you. All the best guys, don't panic.
Learn more and better with Uglisem.com.